Hello and welcome back to the Gourmet Gambit. Today we're going to cook some lovely cockerel. We're not going to use many spices in here because it's all about the Madeira wine. I'm Wes, let's get started. The day before we're going to marinate our cocklettes. We're going to chop an onion grossly, take 4 garlic cloves and just crash them. Add a large glass of Madeira wine. Now Madeira wine is not like Porto. Porto generally adds some more sweetness into your dish, while Madeira wine can enhance the saltiness of your dish. So you better go easy on the salt. Add a good tablespoon of honey, half a tablespoon of coarse sea salt, a tablespoon of crushed black pepper, a few cloves, a few bay leaves. Rub the cockerel in the marinade so you get some good coating on them. I'm going to leave these for 24 hours in my fridge. You can also leave them overnight, but try to marinate them at least 12 hours. The celery, and we cut the leaves. We're going to chop the rest into little bits. And we're going to do the same thing with the carrots. The parsley, cut up the stems, wash them and preserve. Then we're going to chop some of the leaves. No need to chop this finely, just cut them grossly. And we're going to put this with the carrots and the celery. Tomatoes, same thing. Add about 2 good tablespoons of capers, half a tablespoon of coarse sea salt, a teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 2 tablespoons of Nöra. And we're just going to mix it up a little bit. Here you go. The cockerels are really well marinated, and we're going to put them in an oven dish. Pour some olive oil in an oven plate. We're just going to roast quickly the top of our cockerels. So we're only going to use the top grill of the oven, and we're going to preheat our oven up to 240 degrees Celsius. I left the cockerels 10 minutes under the grill, so they're just browned on the outside. The rest is still completely raw, and we're ready for the next step. Now of course you can use any pan with a lid you like. It's not necessary to have a clay pot tagine. And we're going to put some olive oil on there, give it a little bit of a coating, and this helps every time to season your tagine actually. We're going to put our celery leaves underneath, the same for the parsley stems, and we're going to add also the onions and the garlic from our marinade. We're going to add our vegetables in the middle. Place the cockerels all around. Isn't it beautiful? We're going to add the juices in the oven plate, and we're going to add the marinade from the Madeira wine over the cockerels. Once we put the top on our tagine, it's going to cook for 1.5 hours, but after 1 hour we're going to sprinkle a little bit more of Madeira wine over the cockerels, and here we go for some low and slow cooking. So after 1 hour of cooking, this already looks beautiful. You see all the juices that come out of the cockerel, the vegetables. That is just going to be amazing. A little bit more of Madeira wine over the cockerel. The lid back on, and it's a go for another half an hour, my friends. So you see, you don't always need a lot of spices to make something really flavorful. And believe me, my dear friends, these cockerels are only gonna fly one way, and that's into my plate. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and as always, I wish you bon appetit and see you back soon.